The Institute of Automation and Industrial Informatics at the Universitat Politècnica de València works in robotics, industrial process automation, virtual and augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and computer vision. Our team, made up of nearly 100 researchers, offers innovative and tailor-made solutions to both SMEs and large companies. For over 20 years, the team has been involved in national and international projects, driving innovation across sectors such as healthcare, food, mobility and logistics, sustainability and energy, and Industry 4.0. In every area, it implements worklines that meet the needs of companies. The Institute is a key partner in process and product innovation. The AI2 Institute has 7 laboratories equipped with advanced technology, proprietary developments, or equipment provided by leading companies. Testea Paddle Lab, unique in the world, Mederi Living Lab, and Techno Diabetes Lab, where artificial pancreas systems and other health technologies are developed. Industry 4.0 Lab, where the AI2 team designs advanced controllers for industrial optimization and collaborative robotics. Synthetic Biology Lab, focused on intelligent biomanufacturing processes. And the Renewable Energy Lab, which features a digital twin of a wind farm with 27 turbines and works on the electrical systems of the future. The goal of the AI2 Institute team is to develop adaptable, cross-platform software and flexible solutions that enable companies and institutions to optimize production lines, save time and costs, and become more sustainable. One of AI2's hallmarks is its board of trustees, made up of companies, public institutions, and professional associations. All actively participate in the R&D&I projects and outcomes developed within the research structure. Experience, high-quality equipment, flexibility, innovation, smart solutions for the future of business and society.